What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith, back with another live trading stocks and futures. Give me 1 second, I'm about to log in, y'all. Yeah, today is Tuesday, February 24th, 2026. We're finna go ahead and jump onto these charts, but y'all know before we get on the charts what we gotta do. Gotta get our prayer in, so go ahead and bow your heads. Dear Lord, we come to you today just saying thank you once again for another day. Thank you for allowing us to see another day, open our eyes once again, Lord, to be able to be on this earth, breathe in the fresh air that you provided, being able to use the bodies that you allow us to use as a temple and a vessel to spread out your word and your love and your likeness. Lord, we come to you just saying, asking for forgiveness for any sins that we may have done, seen and unseen, Lord, knowingly and unknowingly. We ask that you cleanse us, that we lean on you for strength in the moments that we be weak, and we continue to get closer to you. As we enter in these charts today, I ask that we don't come in with no regret. We don't come in with no anxiety, no greed. We have discernment, we have bravery, we have courage, and we have trust and belief that the knowledge and strength that you gave to us is more than enough for us to be successful. No matter if we win, lose, or draw today, I ask that we be grateful for the opportunity and we continue to grow and get better. Using in our prayer, man. Alright. Let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. Now, I'm going to be hunting with y'all. We ain't did no analysis last night. Oh, why they changed the login thing on TradingView, man? Oh, man. I used to have my password saved to log in easy. Hold up, y'all. I gotta go find my password and everything. They changed it. How you log in on TradingView. Give me 1 second. And we got Pops on here today again. We got guests. Pops on here again today. Dang, you ain't gonna say what up to YouTube.
What up, YouTube?
Nah, they probably can't even hear you though, cause I be playing you through the phone, so they probably can't really hear you.
That was so I stood up and say, God, leave.
They might hear a little bit, but not for real. Yeah, a little bit. I gotta type this Apex.
Get out of there.
Apex 3. Dang, why they changed the login thing on TradingView?
He go to 10 more. 10 more 10 more red candles.
Dang, they hit with 10 again?
No, it's 7. It's 7 right now.
Man, that market just wanna go down, don't it?
Yeah, 7 candles. It's going. It's bouncing off. It's bouncing off. Gap. It's bouncing off gap. It's crazy.
Dang, man, they really changed the login thing. I used to just click on it, it had my passwords already saved.
Might go back up from here.
I'm finna look at it soon as I get logged in.
Oh no, that grade thing. I forgot the grade on count. Grade on count. Can't count a grade. Yeah.
Dang, I don't like they changed the login. Damn, what the world going on? It's talking about, bro, they finna have me behind the login. I might just straight on TradingView today, cause they playing.
I'm trying to hook up TradingView. It ain't. I can't.
Yeah, they changed it. It look like it's different now.
Yeah, I tried to hook it. I said they don't look the same as my TradingView.
No, I'm talking about it used to have where the password was saved. Now it's like,
you talking about TradingView?
Yeah, TradingView trying to connect my TradingView to it.
Yeah, that's why I can't connect my TradingView. That's what I couldn't do.
Maybe because when you bought the new account, maybe you gotta go back and accept. No, it say active. That's what I want to try to go look and see, but it say active. I don't know what it is, bro. Unless I'm putting the wrong password in. Let me try again. Try again real quick. They got me messed up. Market about to open. Y'all ain't even, I can't even look at the chart. You know what I'm about to do? I'm about to copy paste this. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy and paste it. How about that? Oh, they won't let me copy? Come on, man. Ain't it like Control C and you can copy? Press it.
That thing double crazy.
Man, I can't even do nothing because I'm out here trying to log in. I'm probably gonna just straight off a Quisetrades because I ain't finna play this game. I'm gonna try one more time. 37533. Yeah, password.
Damn, man, it took out that long.
I ain't really sweating if I ain't get in right when the market open. Cause I'm gonna find something. As long as I don't do like it did yesterday now and only get 2 entries, then I'll be sorry. But we do got news at 9, so I think that'll give some type of info.
I feel like, dang, they dropping crazy. I'm not all night.
Alright, I think I'm logged in. I think
It acting like we get some news now the way it's jumping, crazy.
that's just cause market open. That's how it always do that with market open. It said failed. Bruh, I ain't got time for this. I'm just gonna have to trade on Trader. Let me try to log in through NinjaTrader. Okay, I can do it through NinjaTrader. Yeah, if you try to connect to TradingView, you might have to just do it through NinjaTrader, okay? It's still the same thing. They go together. Apex and NinjaTrader go together. I mean, yeah, TraderVate and NinjaTrader go together. Alright, looking at MNQ, we are late. The market did open. We closed red yesterday. We had a higher high on Friday. We ended up making a lower low yesterday, so pretty much indecisive. Since it's indecisive, we got higher high with lower low, and we failed to close below the low. I would think that, hey, we're going to try to come up before trying to come back down. But the last counter was red, so you're supposed to be looking for shorts. But if we consolidate in, it can come right back up. Mark out this low. I'm gonna mark out yesterday's low, which was 24,667.75. And then we're gonna mark out the previous high we had at 25,139. We got a daily gap right now. We sitting there. Look like we're rejecting from it. We're gonna go down to the next daily gap. Yeah, that's what it look like. 5 minute really don't got no entry on the 5 minute. It's just coming down. Maybe if we get a close on the 5 minute below, if we close below 24,761, maybe I can try to jump in a continuation. It is dangerous because that last solidified high is all the way at the top. So that is a little dangerous. I think I might want to wait on more structure to build. But I am watching that 24,761 level. We can close past there. Let's check out the hourly real quick. See what the hourly look like. Hourly, we got higher high, and then we just made a lower low just now. So indecisive on the hourly also. Indecisive on the hourly also. So don't got no true structures yet. Just got waited out. No true structures just yet. But the Bears are in control right now. I said that the Bears are in control as of right now. On the 1 minute, they do got a short going on the 1 minute. If anybody want to scalp on the 1 minute, but it's going right into that daily low. I mean, the daily gap at 24,747. Okay. And remember, we got news at 9 a.m. So be careful. Be careful. We got news at 9 a.m. What you looking for, Pop? Dang, dang. You see that?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Shoot, I'm about to get in one light short, one contract. The way that
Mm-hmm.
mud drop.
I'm not playing with it. Dropped too crazy. Dang, still. Oh my God.
Oh
Man,
no, why is lagging again? We was lagging yesterday. Oh heck no. My stuff lagging again. That's some trash. My stuff lagging again. Why I keep lagging at the start of the day? I wonder why I keep lagging.
This the longest candle I've ever seen in my life.
We got 1 minute. Hopefully it don't be no big green. And I got hit with lag again. I don't got that many tabs. Oh, I got 2 Trader View tabs open. Maybe I need to close.
It went down to 708.
I might need to close one of these. Cause that lag mess. It was like up $33 and that lag came. I was trying to put a stop, but it just lagged too much. See if we can get another red count on here. If it push back above 24.71, then it's coming back up. You know something? I just thought about something how I could beat the lag if I could do it through TraderVate. I'm doing it through TradingView because I'm doing one account at a time. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
I just need to sweep it that low one more time. Just sweep that low one more time, good. Oh, it's turning green. It's turning green. It's like it's trying to retest that 761 level. Oh, it's gonna turn red. It is moving crazy though. I say that. Definitely moving a little
I ain't
crazy.
playing with it like this.
We did get a red again. So we might be trying to go make that low again.
It might go red to flip green real quick. It might go
Yeah,
green. I ain't know that.
yeah,
Well, it look like it's dropping though. It look like it would have bottom for the fall out anyway.
yeah. Man, it's lag.
So bad. But every time I do it, it tear me up. That's why
What in the world is going on? Let me close my trading view. I made $30 right there, but dang, bro, why is I getting hit with this lag? I closed my trade, but I'm gonna have to relog in. Cause I don't know why I'm getting smacked with lag. Maybe because I don't never restart my computer. Maybe that's what it is. I would leave the computer running the whole time. Maybe I need to start restarting it. You think that it might be? Cause I let it run the whole day.
Yeah, we probably need to restart it. So you might do that. But that you ain't got a lot of emails, a lot of stuff in them.
Oh, you talking about like stuff that taking space?
Trash.
Yeah, I probably do need to clean it.
Clean out that trash bin and stuff.
Well, we made $30 right there, but I could have made way more if that mud lag. Did it still dropping?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could. Well, I wouldn't make way more because it's basically where I got out of it.
Well, that's still dropping, but it's still hitting rate.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna wait though, cause it could try to reverse here. Unless we come take out yesterday low. Yesterday low was 667. So, but I'm gonna wait though, cause it could try to reverse here. Might be where we push back up It's 761. All right, if we can get a green 5 minute counter, we potentially can get ready for some shorts. If we can get a green 5 minute counter here, you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
It look like we might get that green 5 minute counter too. What's this? It look like we finna get it. Dang, that mother pushed up crazy.
Yeah, put back up crazy.
And we sitting in between two daily gaps. I don't know if you see it.
Mm.
We sitting in the middle of two daily gaps right now.
Yeah, I think.
At least we up $30 right now.
I'm going
Dang,
all
I ain't gonna lie, that long boy. that was like almost $150. I mean $100 right there, just on that long. But I'm waiting though. I want to see some structure, especially on the 5 minute. Cause like I said, we got news at 9 o'clock. That mother can do whatever. You be mad. That is a huge push though. Back to the other side. And we don't got no gap, do we? Yeah, we do. We got a couple inside there. Look at this hourly. The hourly. This hourly counter big. You see the hourly counter? How big it is? That's a big hourly counter compared to the previous hourly counters.
Yeah.
Dang, it's pushing up crazy. Jesus, we. And it ain't make no uptrend on the 1 minute or the 5 minute. It's just pushing up. Cause like I said, we sitting in consolidation, so we very well can try to push right back up close green again and start going back up to that 25,030 area. Cause we consolidating right now. We like I said, the high is 25,139.75, and the low is 24,667. So we literally just ping ponging between them two. That's what we've been doing for the past week and a half, something like that. If you look at the daily, we just been ping ponging between the two. That's why I can see us pushing up today, even though we had closed red. I can see us pushing up. Dang, that 1 minute got a gap on it. It just gapped up on the 1 minute. Dang, that green counter going crazy. You see this?
Yeah, I see.
I know you jumped in. You probably just riding away, huh?
No, I ain't jumping. I'm mad at myself too. I wanted to, but I said I don't know if I should go. I wanted because I just thought it's gonna go back bearish. I just thought it's gonna go bearish, so I don't want to go full.
Yeah.
It was crazy full.
Yeah, it's crazy though. I think I'm gonna get one light long. Not right now though. I want to see it close.
Above the last high.
It did close. Did it close above that high? Yeah, it closed above. I might grab it now. I'm gonna give it a second though. See if we can push back up one more time. But I'm going extra light because we ain't got no structures. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm grab one. I'm scalping super fast. Soon as say $20, I'm bringing stops up to about $14. Oh, we got a 1 minute red candle. Oh, snap, it could be coming down. Let's see. 1 minute red candle just came. Unless it take that high. Take that high. Come on. That 1 minute red candle is dangerous. Let me check out the 5 minute. 5 minute huge green. It might pull back right here. Yeah. Might get a decent pullback here. I think I'm gonna set at the bottom of that previous 1 minute green candle. Alright, we took the high. Okay, we good. Can we close past the high, bruh? I'm gonna wait till this candle close. We don't close past the high. I'll probably just take $10 and get off. But we couldn't close past. I'm gonna set my stop loss at the bottom of this green candle we currently on once we take the high. Alright, I'm setting it at the bottom. Set it at the bottom. Cause I want us to close past this dang high. It is a lot of time though. It can come down and kick us out, but I'm gonna set it there. Okay, we might be good. $54. I'm gonna keep my stop at 873 for right now. I'm gonna move it up if we can close past. Come on, push up, bro. Push up, push up. I needed to close past 890. What's that? 891.25. You need to close past 891. Nice. My stop loss is at 888. You hear me? Stop loss at 892. Yeah, I don't want to retest 892. We up 103. After this next candle close, I'm gonna set my stop loss at 24,904. You hear me? You hear me? 904 gonna be my stop loss after this candle close. If I wanted to close past this previous candle high though, come on, bro. Come on, push up, push up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dang it. I wanted that continuation. It might pull back for us. Come on. Close up there. Why I got a random alert at 24,930? I don't know why I got alert right there. Alright, I'm bringing stops up. I'm gonna set it at 903.50. No, I'm setting it at 904. I said 904. We're gonna set it at 904. It very well could come retest it, but hey, it is what it is. We still make about $100 off this trade, or close to it, probably like 80, 88. We're gonna check out the 5 minutes, see what the 5 minute looking like. 5 minute nice. 5 minute look nice. 5 minute look nice. We up 144. Give it a second. And I'm gonna bring stop. I'm basically gonna just bring stops up to that last 1 minute candle low. If we can close past this high. We ain't close past the high. Tough. We might get this retest here. Alright. Come on. Go take the high. Go take the high. I'm bringing my stops up to 906. Okay, we taking the high. Let's go. Alright, I'm bringing stops up to that red candle low on the 1 minute. So it's at 912.50. Stop loss at 912.50. We at least guaranteeing $100 off this trade. Honestly, I'm supposed to wait until this candle closed before I brought it up, actually. Because I got to make sure it closed green. But it is what it is. I'll jump back in if it don't close green and come back and retest. We up 140 though right now currently. 13 seconds. Close green, bruh. Close green right here. That's all we need. You close green, we good. 3, 2, 1. Green. There we go. Green, green, green. We up 168. I'm bringing stops up to this bottom of that previous 1 minute candle low. We up 185. We up 192. All right, my stop at. I'm bringing stop to 9222. Stop loss at 9222. All right, we up 195. Dang, we're gonna be one and done today, ain't it? You in? You in? OG?
No.
No. You got out, or you ain't never get in?
Nah, I told you I was good.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's
I
coming
ain't want
down.
no
It's coming
more money.
down. It's coming down. Think we might get kicked out here. Let's see if this uptrend go hold. We supposed to set at solidified level, but we got it a little bit above solidified level. Because we're really supposed to have it set at 912.50, and I got it at 922. So we about 10 points above where we need to be at, but it's hey, I'm just trying to get all I can off this trade. Shoot. We supposed to be down there at 912 though. So if we get wicked out, it is what it is. If we get wicked out, it is what it is. Come on, close green right here. We got news at 9 now, y'all. So if you ain't in no trade, I advise don't get in no trade when it's these last 10 minutes. You need to wait till the news come out. Cause it's 3-star news. Oh, come on. What you gonna do? Oh, we finna get kicked out. Yeah, look like we getting kicked out. We got kicked out. We made 118 on that trade. So we made 30 plus 118. We up 148 on the day. Or basically 140. Let's just say that. It still might be holding this uptrend. Like we said, we did not set our stop at the solidified level. So, cause I was trying to get as much as I could off the trade. We kind of trailed it a little bit tight, but dang, that was a nice trade. Now 5 minutes, if we can get the 5 minute to make an uptrend, I'm gonna go in with 2 contracts on the 5 minute making an uptrend. See, we only went in with 1 right there, but if the 5 minute make an uptrend, we're gonna go in with 2. Gonna definitely go in with 2 if the 5 minute make an uptrend. Hopefully we can get a red candle here, maybe 2 red candles, and then the 9 o'clock news give us our green candle we need. Hopefully that's what happened. That was a nice trade though. And what made me want to get in that trade, y'all, like we said, if we look at that daily, we've been ping ponging between 139.75 and 24,667. We've been just basically going up and down, support and resistance. So basically, we went down there yesterday. So I was like, hey, we didn't close below. We didn't close below these previous lows over here. So I can see us pushing back up to the resistance level. Okay. So basically, that's what basically just did support and resistance on that trade. Well, that's what made us want to get in the trade, and then we followed the G.F.T strategy after that. The chart's looking decent. I mean, we need to see more of a trend set though, because honestly, this was just continuation trade, really not no true trend trade, unless you was on that 1 minute. But like we said, we don't really like. We want to base our trades on higher time frames than the 1 minute. We are sitting at an hourly gap right now. Look like we're trying to push up. This hourly literally was a big red candle at the beginning. Now it's a whole full green candle. You see that hourly pop?
Dang.
You see that hourly, a big old green candle now?
Mm-hmm.
I said it literally was a huge red candle at the start. That mother pushed all the way back up. Yeah, I think that 9 o'clock news gonna do something crazy probably. I don't know though, cause we might be trying to wait till Trump speak though. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming down. I said maybe we can get 2 red candles and then let the 9 o'clock be the green. We gonna see if that's gonna happen like we hope. Even if this be a green candle, that's fine because we at least got a red candle in the mix. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Make that 5 minute uptrend. I'm taking them dang long. I'm gonna have 2 contracts. One contract gonna sell at TP1. Second contract gonna sell um at my main target. So TP1 on the 5 minute will be take profit one. On the 5 minute will be, let's see, where would it be? Looking at the highs. Look like 970 probably. 970. 970, and then next target is at 25,037 level. All right, we're getting this pullback. I think this might be where we bounce at right here, if we gonna bounce. If the market want to go back up, we should be bouncing off of this 863.25 level. I think it's an hourly gap right there. I think that's where we should be trying to bounce if we're gonna try to go back up. I ain't gonna code. Man, we pretty much done for the day though. I ain't gonna cap. Almost 150. I'm trying, but I ain't gonna lie. I am trying to get about 250 on the day if I can. Trying to get back. So basically like another $100, and I'll be straight if I get about another 100. I mean I'm straight with what I got, but that's what I'm aiming for, another 100. And if we can get that 5 minute trend, I think we can easily get that another 100. We might get 200 on the 5 minute trend with 2 contracts. You just need this dang 5 minute to make a trend. That's it. And I was watching one video today on TikTok. Man, dude was just talking about, he was like, the main thing people gotta figure out when it comes to trading, you can't force yourself to be profitable. He said if you got a strategy and your strategy work, he said you gotta think, right? You got a system. He said how you think a lot of business people that be successful and everything. He said they have a system. They tell themselves they gonna do this every single day, every single this certain amount of time. and they just keep doing the system over and over and over, no matter how boring it gets. And he was like, when it comes to your trading, you gotta have a system. You gotta have something you looking for every single time. And even if you gotta wait all day for your setup to show, he said you just gotta wait on it. It might be boring, but you gotta wait on it. And trade and do that same thing over and over and over, and just continue to improve on that same thing you're doing over and over and over. He said you keep coming in, you got different strategies, or you just jumping in randomly. He said he ain't got no system. How you expect to be profitable for the long run? He said you might can force yourself a payout, but in the long run, it ain't gonna work out. So I said, dang, he was speaking some real stuff right there. That's what we gotta do. We gotta have patience and know exactly what we're looking for each and every day. Just wait till we see it, then get in it. That's why I said I ain't going 2 contracts unless I got a 5 minute setup or higher. I only go 1 contract on that 1 minute if I be on it. But the 5 minute or higher, that's the only way I could go two or more. All right, so we had a red candle. 9 o'clock news about to come out in a little bit. I don't know if it's really gonna affect us a lot, just because I said Donald Trump speaking later on, so it might stall it a little bit because Donald Trump got to speak later. All right, it came out. It was good. It was good news. So I don't know, but just because it's good news don't mean marketing go up. We pull him down, pull him down. I hope we ain't finna sit here and get back into more consolidation again. Yeah. Go back ranging again. They're gonna be trash. Cause I don't even like this pullback being this far down right now. Just because by the time we can make a higher high, it gotta go all the way back up. That's a whole bunch of space. Yeah. That's a long time to wait for my trade. Let me go look at the 15 minute. So you ain't getting no trades yet, huh? You waiting to clear setup, 5 minute setup. Because the 1 hour look like trash. We made a doji 1 hour candle. How that work? With all that big old wicks. Then the 15 minute got a lower low with a higher high. The green candle made the lower low and the red candle made the higher high on the 15. Trash. The daily, like we said, that one indecisive. The hourly got an uptrend. I mean, the 4 hour got an uptrend right now. It got high, low, higher, high. So the 4 hour do got an uptrend. That's the only one that got a trend right now. Is the 4 hour. And crazy. The 4 hour, the only one that got a trend is the uptrend though. Dang, all I need is 5 minute to make a trend. I'm straight. Yeah, I don't care if it's uptrend or downtrend for real. I just needed some type of trend. And YouTube, I'm gonna give y'all till about 9:30. Then I'm gonna call it for y'all, cause I don't wanna make y'all have to wait through this by the time we make a trend, cause it might not do it. If it don't do it by 9:30, I think we gonna get it by 9:30. But if it don't do it by 9:30, um, we probably just gonna have to end the stream and just take on stream. We be up 140 on the day. But of course, if I take any more trades, I'll post it. All we need is a green counter to come in the mix. And then it's gonna force it to have to make some type of trend, either up or down. Once we see another green counter. Yeah. Cause once another green counter come, we know we're making some type of high. So either it could be a lower high or a higher high. So it's gonna basically force his hand once we get our first green counter. That's when it's gonna have to be forced. So it's probably gonna try to do as many red counters as it can, so it can try to stall it out before it do it. But all we know is if it go take that low out that we had down there on the 5 minute, then the uptrend completely broke again. So we had to start all the way back over with another higher high, unless we go bearish, cause then that'd be lower low. It's the boring part right here. That you literally waiting on instructions. Unless you want to trade a 1 minute, but I really ain't trying to be on that 1 minute. To be honest, I'm trying to be on the 5 minute.
I think we're gonna get a grand candle right here, though.
Think. I hope so. I hope so. I do not feel like waiting all day. Dang, Netflix down to $75. Man, I might have to go grab Netflix stock. You can get a whole share of Netflix for $75. That's crazy.
Damn.
Cause you know they did a stock split, and when they did a stock split, I think they went to like $120. Cause they was at like 12. They was at like $1,200 at first, but then they did a stock split. So then they went down to 120. I think they did a 1 to 10. So if you had one share, you ended up getting 10 shares. Dang, I just thought of something. If you had one share of Netflix and they did the stock split and you got 10 shares off that one, if they go back up to $1,200 again, well, you done came up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, huge green.
Dang, I'm sorry.
I'm not. I'm waiting on structure. What you talking about?
Cause I said I feel like we're gonna be green. They jumped to crazy.
Well, I mean, you need to get in. You ain't got no structure. But nah, if you did that though, and you have that one share, and you bought that one share at $1,000 or whatever, and it jumped all the way back up again after they gave you 10 of them for that one, but you made 10 bands off of Netflix. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's crazy, and you only spent $1,000, 10 bands. Then if they do another stock split when they get up there again, shoot, let it cycle again. Ooh wee, cause then you gonna have 20 stocks then. So then you'll make 20,000 next time I go back. But then they do a split again. I got Walmart stock though. I'm mad I ain't have it. Shan, she had it. Yeah, of course, you know she had stock from before the stock split. So she ended up coming up when they did the split and came back. Cause now it's back up where it was at when they did the split. Cause they did a split last year and it dropped they stock to $60, right? It's at 126 already 1 year later. That's crazy. So even if you just had it was at 140 last year. They did a they did a 3 to 1. So if you had one for $140, they gave your one and made it into to three. You hear me? So then they had it. So then you end up getting three. So basically, say you spend 140, you end up having three of them, right? You spent 140. Last year, they gave you three. It went down 60 something dollars. Um, Well, no, it went. Didn't Walmart go to like 50? I think it went to 50 some dollars, but we just saved around $60. Then it came all the way back in 1 year to 126. So basically, you done recouped your money. You basically made like $180 off of your 140. That's literally 100% return, over 100% return in 1 year. That's crazy, ain't it? So like, if you would have put 1,000, you make 2,000 or something.
Nice look.
All right, come on there. Well, our first green count, we finna have to reveal our hand now. Is it gonna lead us to a higher high, or is it gonna lead us to a lower high for the downtrend? I'm thinking potentially higher high, if I had to guess. I'm thinking we going up, but it's a chance that it wanna go down. But I'm thinking we gonna go up. If I had to guess, y'all, what you think?
Okay. I'm guessing.
That's what I'm thinking too. I slick wanna go long, but it is a little bit early if you look at the 5 minute. If you look at the 1 minute, this is the perfect time to get in. Because we got high, 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 low, high, 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 low. It's clearly an uptrend on the 1 minute. 5 minutes is a tad bit early to get in. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So based off the 1 minute, it's good to get in. 5 minute, not just yet. Gotta wait a little bit more. 5 minute, not just yet. All we need is a higher high, and we good. I could very well see this potentially try to consolidate right here. It could try to come turn red right here, go another red, and then go back green, and then go back red. It could try to consolidate if it ain't trying to hurry up there. Yeah. I don't want to see no consolidation though. I want to see it just push up. Okay. What we got going on here? Looking a little bullish. Then we push up. You ain't get in, did you? Or you got in?
I ain't get in.
Okay. I was about to say, you said you ain't trying to get in off the 1 minute, so 5 minute, this ain't no entry just yet. It's getting set up. It's getting ready to be an entry though, but not just yet. This what I'm gonna do though. I'm gonna set me a buy entry at the top of this green candle high, so it can automatically get me in soon as you take that high. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I got a buy entry at 24,966.75. And I'm gonna set my take profit or my sell limit at 25,036. So in case it like spike up real quick and hurry up and hit target, and then it can go ahead and sell me. In case it spike up real randomly or something. But it look like we probably finna do what I said. We might get the consolidation right here, turn red, and try to consolidate still. If it close red here, that mean it's trying to stall. It's trying to get you scared. Let's see. Look like it's gonna close red. Now it make a lower low. That's downtrend though. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Only thing it is a 5 minute gap right there next to it, so it could bounce right off of that and come back up. You hear me?
Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
I really don't want these shorts to be honest,
It's
but
the chicken one love.
really don't want to do these dang shorts. But it might what we had to do. I really don't want the shorts, but we might have to get the shorts.
The Popeye? Nah, you gotta put on 400 for 60 minutes.
Remember YouTube, I told y'all at 9:30 I'm gonna end the stream. I think that's gonna be my cutoff time for now on the stream. 9:30. I said we up 140 on the day on YouTube, so that's plenty good enough for the stream. We could see a green candle here for this 5 minute potentially, or it can close red and try to stay above. What's this? 28.43. Ain't it market plan? Everybody trying to wait all day. Okay, we're gonna close green for this 5 minute. Then push up, make a new high.
So you getting it short?
Nah, I ain't say I ain't getting no short. I'm saying about this 5 minutes from the close green. Mm-hmm. And we can push up.
So,
It's consolidating crazy right now. I'm gonna look at QQQ chart. Alright, get back to MYM. I mean MAQ. And his market taking his time.
Okay, brain. Oh, where is it going?
Taking his time. We did close green. Did we make a high? I might grab a light long. I might go one contract and take that high. I really want to close past it, but might go one light long. We take that high. Alright, one light long. Hopefully we won't sit here and come back consolidate on me. Hope we can close past that high. We in one. Alright, I'm bringing stops up. Cause I ain't even trying to play around with it. We up $30. Go on touch that. Go on touch it. Alright. Stop loss up. They probably gonna kick us out. We're gonna take 15. Up. Come on, push. Ah, don't kick us out. Yeah, it kicked us out. We took 13 on that. $13. We're gonna wait and see if a pullback come right here. Then we'll get back in again. See if a pullback wanna come, or is it gonna stay pushing up? Crazy push. God dang. Oh my goodness. It might go straight to the high. Let's see. It gonna take that high, y'all know we're getting them loans. If it gonna take that 5-minute high. You know we getting them loans. If it get up there, it's almost there. I wish we still was in our one loan, but they kicked us out. I'm waiting. If we close above this hourly gap right here, I might grab one light long again at 9:37. No, we didn't close above it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Alright. Might grab long. Uh-oh. Dang, we did close past it. But this is a little scary on this 1 minute. This last minute we got left is a little scary, but we did close past my hourly gap on it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till this 5 minute counter close. Dang, bruh. It's a little scary. Maybe I'm a little scared. That's all. I ain't gonna say scared. Maybe I'm a little nervous. I say that. But it do look like potentially trying to push. Look like we trying to go take that high. 17 seconds. I'm gonna wait. So I'm gonna let this 5 minute close, and I'm gonna see how it do when it first start. When it first open up, do we push straight up? And I'm waiting. Waiting. We so close to taking that 5 minute high out, though. That's crazy. Super close. I'm going long if we close above 953. I'm going long. Close above there, I'm going long. 21, 20, or if it take the high, it's gonna also make us go long. 12 seconds. We probably finna press long here, y'all. Oh, it came back below it. Came back below it. They playing. They literally playing games. It barely closed below it. Did you get in, or you waiting?
No way.
You waiting on the actual high to get taken?
Mm-hmm.
I feel you. I still got my buy order sitting up there, so when it go across there, it trigger me. Uh-oh, it's about to take it. Look like we getting it. Right there. Come on, y'all. It's right there. It's super close. There we go. Alright, we in long. Really wanted to close past that high if we can on the 5 minute, and we'll be extra golden. If we close past it, the market gonna shoot up. We can close past it. Okay, my first TP getting hit. We up $80. So we sold one. Oh, actually that was my first TP. Oh no, that was my first TP. That blue line. Okay, we sold one. We made 40 off one. So we in one contract left, and our TP at 25,036. Really want this 5 minute to close past this previous 5 minute high. Them highs to the left. We close past there, man. I think we shooting up. All we gotta do is close past 964.25. That's it. We close past there, I'm straight. Come on, y'all. Close past there for me. I'm gonna change the color to yellow so I can know what level that is. Alright, stop loss. Honestly, we ain't got no spot for the stops right now other than the 5 minute solidify level all the way down at 852. I really don't want my stop that far down, so I'm gonna drop down to the 1 minute. We up $50. 1 minute, we ain't got no stop loss for the 1 minute. Oh man. I think we're gonna sit behind this 953. That's gonna be my stop loss, 953 for right now until I see this 5 minute counter close. Till I see this 5 minute counter close. We're getting a nice push. You got in your longs?
Mm-hmm.
You got in one or two?
I got in one.
Oh, okay. You good. Like I said, my target is 25,036. That's my TP. If you want to push past it, push past, but that's my take profit. We made 40 on one. We up 50. So we just need, really, we can close it right now. We'll make $200 on the day because we just need another $50. Well, we needed 50 more dollars and we up $60 to make our 200 on the day. So we could close it right now and just take $200 on the day, but hey, we trying to go to Target. We can make 250 on the day. Shoot. And we got in on QQQ also, y'all. So we up on our options also. So that's good. Up on the futures and on the options. Come on, don't take it to TPR. I'm bringing stops up. I can't. It's up $80. I gotta bring it up into profit at least. I just had to re-enter if it pulled back hard. I think I'm gonna bring stops to 983 or 981. Uh, let's do 983. I'll do 982. That's in the middle. How about that? We up $90. Wow, that's crazy. We up $90 on this one on our runner. We up $90. I think I'm bringing stops up to 990 now, y'all. We're gonna bring it to 980, 989. Then we're gonna set our stop. So we basically get about $30 off this runner, no matter what happens. Come on. Good. We're looking at this 5-minute candle high that we just created, which is 25,014. If we can build base above there, we should go straight to target. If we can build base above there, we should go straight to our target, y'all. All we gotta do is build base above there. We good. A red candle close below there though. That's gonna be dangerous. I think I might cut it. If we get a red 1-minute candle below 25,014.50, I think I'm gonna close. Look like I'm about to close it, y'all. I'm gonna give it a second. It is a 1-minute gap right there. I'm gonna just bring stops up to 990. All right, 991. Now, I ain't gonna close it myself. I'm just gonna sit behind this 1-minute fair value gap, see if it can hold. We close green on this 1-minute right here. I'm bringing stops up to the bottom of that red counter. If we close green right here, cause it's so close to my target, I can't play around like that. We gotta take our money. It's too close to the target. 16 seconds. Come on. If it take that high, I'm bringing it up now. If it take that high, we're bringing it up right now. 10 seconds. It took the high, we're bringing it up. Stop at 999.25. That's our stop loss. Our TP at 25,036, like we said. If it push past, we don't really care because we made our money. We're not taking that risk. Now, for my options, I might hold my options to see if we can keep going higher. But for my, what's the name? I'm not going to risk it. Not going to risk it. Options. I mean, for my futures, I'm not going to risk it. It's too risky for the futures. We up $91 on this one running. So, $5 more, we secure our $250 on the day. If we can go up $5 more. But come on, don't consolidate right here. Come on, man. Push up, man. Push up. We got 1 minute for the 5-minute counter. We needed to close above 25,014. Come on. Well, 1425. Close green, bruh. Close green, bruh. Ah, it's gonna kick us out. We out. We out. We out. Yep, we out. Dang it. I was trying to hold that mug. I ain't even lie. But we out. I definitely was trying to hold that mug. We was so close to TP. Oh, hold up. How we up 250 on the day? I must skipped the trade. It said we up 250 on the day. So we did get our 250. Maybe I had skipped the trade. I thought we was gonna only be up like 230. Huh? Yeah, I made my money. I'm done. And it was right at 930 for it. It could be making a higher low right here though. Yeah. It could be, but I got out. Yeah, if it closed green again, I'd go back in again. But it's close to my target, so I'm gonna go get one contract because it's close to that 25,036 level that I wanted. Yeah. But now if we can come all the way down, we can close red, come down to about that 964 area, and then we get a green counter. Then I like a long there. Because now since we clearly made an uptrend, all we just need is green candles to keep going back long. We ain't gotta wait on it to take no high no more. You hear me? Yeah. But let me go ahead and end this stream real quick. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Like we said, we ended up getting our 250 on the day, so that was a nice trade. I don't think we took no losses. Yeah, I don't think we took no losses today, so we're undefeated today. But yeah, y'all have a good one. Y'all trade safe and be on the lookout for the analysis video. I might do one tonight. I'ma see. Because we didn't do one yesterday night. So but y'all have a good one. Your boy Keith is